Hello everybody, welcome to the channel World of Self Learning. I am Mahesh here. Today, as you see the video title, easiest way to remember the color code of resistors. So let's see that trick. You can see a color code chart on your screen now. We will be having a register like this in the picture, and we will have four bands on it. Bands means we will have four rings, color rings on the register. Three are closely spaced and one will be far apart. So what is the significance of those rings? First two rings or two bands will represent the first two digits of our register value. Then next band will represent the multiplier. What is meant by multiplier? Means powers of 10. By how much we have to multiply the first two digits. And the last band will tell us about the tolerance, means how much the register value will vary according with the physical variations. So we will have four color bands, and these four color bands makes this color code table. So we are here to discuss a four color band register, not a five. The below is a five one. We are here to discuss the trick for four color bands. It will be applicable for five color bands as well, but we are going to see for only four color bands. So remembering this table, you have to remember the color sequence, that is this color sequence. So we are going to see the trick to remember this color sequence. So let's go. Now you are able to see on the screen I have written one sentence. Let's see what it is. That's a trick to remember the color sequence of registers. It's read it carefully. B. Roy, good bowler, very good wicket keeper. Hear it once again. B. Roy, good bowler, very good wicket keeper. So that's the trick. We have to remember this sentence to remember the sequence. Let's break this sentence and to form a table. So the first letter, that's B. B stands for black. Black in our color code table. Okay, we have seen a few seconds ago the color code table. Okay, in that the first color stands for black, second brown. So first B means black, second B means brown. So B, two colors over. Then third comes. Now third is R. R means red. Third R means red. Then fourth comes. O means orange. Orange. Then fifth, similarly, this means yellow. Yellow. So we have remembered now till now five colors. B Roy means black, brown, red, orange, yellow. Got it? Let's move to the next colors. From onwards, first letter of the word will be the color name. So here is G. So it will be green. Green. Good means green. Then next comes B. B means blue. Okay, listen carefully. Then next Whe. Whe means violet. VIO, violet. Then next comes here G. G is for gray. So remembering that mind, first green comes and then gray comes. Okay, so it's gray. Gray. And last one is our W means wicket. Wicket is for white. Wicket is for white and keeper is redundant word. So we have split that complete sentence into our color code table. So let's memorize it. Now what was our sentence? B Roy, good bowler, very good wicket keeper. So how we have to remember? B. Revise with me, okay? Then you will become perfect. Okay. So first B means black, second B means brown, then Roy. Roy has three letters. So first represent red, then orange, and then yellow. Next word, good bowler. Good G represents green. Then bowler B represents blue. Then very good V represents violet. G represents grey. Very good wicket keeper. Wicket means wicket W represents white. That's the trick to remember the complete color code table. That's the easiest trick we have, man. we can verify our trick with the help of the table we have seen at the first. So what our trick says, first B Roy. So first will be black, then brown. Roy means red, orange, yellow. Then comes good baller, green and blue. Then comes very good, violet and gray. And wicket, W, and keeper is a redundant word. These two, gold and silver, are the tolerances, and that are only two colors to remember. So gold contains plus minus 5% tolerance and the silver contains plus minus 10% tolerance. Nothing more in those two colors. We have to only memorize these two colors, but the main trick is to remember all the sequence of colors, because in exam we forgot the sequence and we make mistakes, so our value of the resistor will go wrong. So that's the easiest trick. Memorize the trick, practice. In tomorrow's video, we will going to see practically how to read those color bands on a practical register, and also how to measure the value of resistance using multimeter. So stay tuned for those videos. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, push the bell notification to all so you will not miss any of those videos. Till then, be practice and be disciplined, because practice and the discipline one of the most important aspects of our life to make success. And if you don't know what are the resistor, inductor, basic elements of electronics, then see the video showing on the right side for better clarification, because in this course we are going to see each and every element in very detail, so you should be familiar with how the elements looks like. So see our right hand side video. We will meet in tomorrow video at 9 o'clock in the morning. So goodbye.